Up, 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 up. Say hi, Kona. Now, Kona is a yellow-naped Amazon. They're famous for their talking and singing ability. They're also famous for their level of aggression. Now, this typically happens when they get sexually mature and the hormones set in. Kona's owner gave her up because she got a third nose hole, and she didn't want to handle her after that ever again. So, because she's very sociable, she hangs out on the front porch, and she's one of our official greeters. And I brought along one of her very favorite people today because she loves to perform with her. So, without any further ado, we'll introduce Erin. Say hi, Kona.
Hi, Kona. Hi, pretty bird. Hi, Kona.
Closer.
It's a pretty bird.
Closer.
Come on over here. Come over here.
Squeeze those little birdie legs.
Ooh, I just want to squeeze those little birdie legs. Squeeze! I squeeze those little birdie legs. Squeeze those little birdie legs. Are you going to laugh? Are you going to laugh? What?
Can you?
I love you, Rudy. Rudy.
I love you too. I love you. Squeeze. I do want to squeeze those little birdie legs because I love you. Because I love you.
Tap the end of the perch and tell her, come on over here.
Come on over here. Come on over here. Come on over here. Come on over here. Come on over here. Come on over here. Okay, come on over here. Come on over here. Okay. Hey, do you want to count 5? 5, 4, 3, 1.
5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 5.
All right. Explain the counting.
Now, she can sing I Love You Truly. She's perfectly capable of saying the number 2. She hates the number 2. If you say it, she messes up her numbers. But why we're not getting the 3 and the 1 is another question. Let's try this again. 5, 4, 3, 1.
5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 5.
One more time.
So cute.
5, 4, 3, 1.
5, 4, 5, 4.
I guess she's going to have to go back to school.
Oh, no.
See if you can get her to
But
laugh.
I love you. I want to squeeze those little birdie legs. Oh, can you laugh? So silly, girl. Well, I love you. I love you.
Let's see if we can get the number 3 and 1 more time. Come on, Kona, do it right. I'll have to send you back to school. 5, 4, 3, 1.
I love you, Rudy.
It's kind of like the kid that does exactly what you don't want them to do.
1.
5, 4, 5, 4, 5, 4, 5.
The record's stuck.
Oh, she's just being funny.
Yeah, she thinks she's funny. She's got a sense of humor. Okay, say goodbye to Erin.
Bye. 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 Bye.
Bye, babe.